Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren assured to upgrade the Indian National Army Memorial Complex into an international level historical place. MPCC President Gai Khangam lambasted the state government for reinstating the portfolios which were removed from Minister Biswajit on account of department's financial misappropriation before the arrival of inquiry report. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren urges people, especially resource persons and experts, to decide single use of name between Maitai and Meitei. And Rashtriya Janhit Sangharsh Party Manipur unit states arrest of agitators protesting to serve justice to the death case of girl student is like adding fuel to fire. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, National General Secretary of BJP, Ram Madhav, delivered a lecture on Subhash Chandra Bose INA and contribution of Manipur during an event at INA Memorial Hall in Moirang today. Manipur Thinkers Forum was also formed on the occasion. Indian National Army INA, formed under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose, hoisted the flag of INA at Moirang in Manipur on 1944. Moirang in Manipur is an important place in the history of the Indian freedom struggle. Taking part in the event, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren stated that the various items kept inside INA Museum, among other museums of the state, make us aware of the historic events. He asserted that the Peace Museum, opened at Maibum Lotpaching in Nambol, is of great avail in giving us various informations related to INA. The Chief Minister gave assurance that the state government has started the process of taking over a former headquarters of INA in Moirang at the earliest. He maintained that the INA Memorial Complex in Moirang will be remade into a historical place at international level following the INA's 75 years of independence. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Works Minister T.S. Biswajit, new chairman of MPSC, retired Lieutenant General L.N. Singh, and many people attended the event. Ahead of the event, attendees paid floral tributes at the INA Memorial Stone as a mark of honor and respect to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and his followers.
Your forefathers had welcomed them with open heart, open hands, and supported the efforts for India's independence. That is what is called INA spirit. The spirit of patriotism, spirit of love for the country. That spirit which would motivate ordinary citizens to stand up to the enemy, however brutal, however strong he may be.
Internationally tourist
President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Gai Khangam, lambasted the state government for reinstating the portfolios which were removed from Minister Biswajit on account of the department's financial misappropriation before the arrival of inquiry report. He was speaking to media during a booth-level interaction program organized by Kurai Block Congress Committee at Kangla Sangomsang Makhalaikai in Imphal East today. Gai Khangam asserted that, as per the direction of Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren, Minister Biswajit was stripped off from the post of Works and Power on account of financial misappropriation, following which a committee was formed to conduct inquiry against him on the matter. He expressed deep shock that Minister Biswajit was reinstated the portfolios before an exact report of the inquiry was disclosed to the public. He lambasted the government for its corrupted nature. He referred to the recent allegation which stated that some MLAs of Congress will switch to BJP. He termed the allegation as a ploy of the state government to defend their ongoing conflicts. He urged the public not to believe the false rumors.
Hana sakibam tareto atu phawda hojikse kari haini ikai khangbadi ke leiba haiduni aidodung da chalurabno hadana kana leiri bane bako adu matakta father adu da satpa bisidi madudi ai thajade adu madugumba jamna cheap oiba propaganda chatlaga akoi atopa party amada madu kari haini destabilize tawnaba honabadona tawbado made labak thibani Congress party phanayamna honarbaso party Congress party se destabilize taw sungam ngamoy.
Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren urges people of the state, especially the resource persons and experts, to stick to a name that will represent our community instead of arguing over Maite or Mite. He was speaking in the memorial lecture program of Dr. Langpok Lakpam Bhaigachandra, who served as the Higher and Technical Education Minister and who took major roles in preserving the identity of our state. Research Forum Manipur and State Archaeology Department jointly organized the event at Kangla Hall today. Speaking at the event, Biren expressed disappointment over the controversial use of Maite and Mite. He appealed people to organize seminars to bring a resolution to the issue and also assured every possible help from the government.
Once for all, amtang ay koy gi phabin naraga akoy dagi hobo changi mingon nang tawne haibana ta ay ngon dagi hobam changmanina ay di maitai ge mitai ge si jong tang phamtok piraga I am ka I am ka ki wari ne mayam tawraga loisan biradi ko am nungai ni adi even ada nahan wadaran janna sen mayekta akoy gi hapani ga sida I ma ma yam kai sen mayekta hapoi do double I do hapora I do hapora ngasidagina sahi yang khagi mangda oiram bai khoi fibam ngasidagina khoi sahi yang khai matungda khoi oigida fibam basi mangda thamaga neina haninga kanda thabak to haninga tasengna social activist oina social worker oina thabak to bi boirga.
The second Dr. Langpok Lakpam Bhaigachandra Memorial Lecture Program was held on the theme Status of Indigenous Peoples, a case study of Maite. Resource persons of the program, former professor of MU Anthropology Department, W. Nabakumar, stressed on how to curb the plights facing the indigenous people of the state in the event.
Maitai natraga Mitai society sina crisis ani ka mayok na ba crisis se amana existential crisis or survival crisis akoi to be or not to be akoi sibu hingidara akoi sibu laigidara akoi sibu mutkadara ai wang se masigi question sini survival crisis ai se nasi akoi mindset akoi gi community sibu akoi gi purup sibu tunglam sase kari oiba yage haibasi khanarakpa matamda imam mambagumba crisis ama lairi se masi existential crisis haibane masi akoina thenari aduna masigi existential crisis siga loina na nungi oiba akoi gi value system da su akoi se crisis ayamam thoe madugi crisis tu bana akoi na kari kaugebu axiological crisis natraga value crisis.
People of Kangu, Jingjin, Kuno and Kulin of Lamlai constituency complained that they are facing a major inconveniences due to deplorable road condition amidst the plight faced by the people of the area in paddy fields due to scanty rainfall. Speaking to Impact News, the villagers lamented that the road between Kangu, Jingjin, Kuno to Takyal is in wretched condition, leading to facing of huge inconveniences by the villagers. The residents of the area urged the authorities concerned to repair the road at the earliest.
Kamjingdena Taken Taba Lambije, kilometer Ama Makai, Muktangi Sangni, Emele Mapamda, Hanjan Zatsarure, Amuhan Ming Changjan Biraktre, 2014 da Lambi Shembi Haidana, Akut Pazingje Mana, Nung Krakra Tabirame at the digging a sheep how Amuhan Yang Bidre.
Aduasi lambian je angang school satpana yek to mayam jiju kariko budlak biu yadre kayu lambian je phatra banina kanam to sangingdre asi bo hanna su yeng bira dress de lairi je koi awa dong ngoi de lairi ikang ju ta na lairi nong tu laga si tauji habi ju haira dre mana
Imban chakadaba ana yek yarak pa punam aja akhoi je takhen ta na khong la chatle adagi lau je yengu ikang thok phaje hoji choro khida ising leire labuk ta di leitre akhoi chat pa yadre sigadaba hanna gadaba punamak laiba punamak sidi akhoi ji sibana hangadore ana yek yarak pa matam de khodi siba tabra haiba
Prajapita Brahmakumari's Ishwarya Vidyalaya Imphal celebrated Raksha Bandhan celebration at Brahmakumari Center in Paidinga today. Brahmakumari Manipur in charge, Brahmakumari Nilima, Brahmakumari Kangla Tombi in charge, Brahmakumari Kumari, and Brahmakumari Nirmal Sachi attended the event. 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School for her soul to rest in peace. Speaking at the event, Brahmakumari Nilima stated that Raksha Bandhan is an important day for brothers and sisters. She further called upon to strengthen the relationship between siblings. Maintaining that people are stirred up due to anger, jealousy and evil thoughts, Brahmakumari Nilima appealed to practice Raj Yoga meditation and Adhamik Siksha, meaning self-realization, which will help in leading a better life.
You manung shanti porokadoriba, you manung se nungai gadoriba, I isagi manungda, shanti ogadori se, I loira makse, I isa makse, responsibility amamam oibati. Family ani se, male female haitare, ani se tinaba yadre, male female se tinaba yadre banina, namdigi kanare. You manungi ashanti, nungai taba, asoba bihobagi, nungai taba, tension mayamdo, anganda pressure la angando da pressure la tanda, mama pan poglinge, angando. Yung da hanjalak ningde magi oiba sagi manungda adi tension kariba pinkhangda chak manana ko tak ayunda philliba tension mayam do rajugo meditation amati adhyatmik shiksha haitare self realization ki course to masina ayunda yam phana ko labo mayam se kokpangam
Proscribed Kangle Yaul Kannalup KYKL observed its 26th Martyrs Day at the outfit's 1st, 2nd and 3rd Battalion units, transit camps and other places inside and outside the state today. The party's flag was flown at half-mast as a mark of respect to the late martyrs. Members of the outfit, along with leaders of various outfits, pay floral tributes and observe a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect and honor to the departed souls. President of Rashtriya Janhit Sangharsh Party, RJSP Manipur unit, S. Nandeshwar stated that people of the state are discontented over the investigation process carried out by the relevant department regarding the mysterious death case of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kantipur. He also stated that one should no longer stick to their positions if they felt to work as per the interests of people. He was speaking in the press meet held at the office of RJSP in Thangwaiban, Polen Laikai today. Speaking further, Nandeshwar asserted that arrest of members of the JC formed regarding the case instead of serving justice to the case will not bring peace in the state. He also mentioned that arrest of protesters is like adding fuel to the fire. Nandeshwar urged the authorities concerned to take appropriate steps to serve justice to the girl student at the earliest.
JC기 미오의 비 ahum yaroga tara tukpa gi basi condition amata yaudana Manipur sarkar na thaduk piu idi apa apun tawraga santi porokte haiduna asumba thina bidamukta protest tawriba mayam bo phajin biba sina kaidongaida masai solution purbo ngamak huzik paliba government na praja miyam gi apamada idi asumba de leptuna while kati paiba haitabagi mawngda lakli basi praja miyam na pham thadu haidring gi mamangda masa masana masi ai matik sadre haiduna pham thadu bagi matam yaurba haibasi huzik protest tawriba praja mayam gi wakal da leire aduna masi yamna serious oiba case ama hoina lobiraga case athu matam da loisan binaba hona biu.
A man was found dead in a suspicious manner at the intermediating area between Upokpi and Tonpokpi under Bishnupur Police Station in Bishnupur district today. The deceased is identified as 18 years old Thokchom Thinau, son of T.H. Ibomcha from Upokpi Mamang Laikai, Ward number 10 of Bishnupur district. According to Impact News sources, the body was found when farmers of the area visited the paddy field around 7 this morning. Upon informing the police, a team of Bishnupur Police and Manipur Forensic Sciences inspected the site. Bishnupur Police has booked a case regarding the incident and the body has been taken to morgue for further investigation. Honorarium for 34 residents of Fair Price Shop of Moirang constituency from 2016 to March 2017 has misappropriated by 3 individuals. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Moirang Patlau Laikai today, one KH Ibungo Macha stated that the agent's honorarium were taken on December 18 of last year. He asserted that 4 lakhs rupees was recovered from one individual named H. Mani Matum. Ibungo Macha urged the relevant authorities to look into the matter and recover the remaining money latest by August 25th. State Family Welfare Training Center hostel was inaugurated at RD Wing Lamphal and 3 saplings were also planted inside the campus today. Principal Secretary of State Health Society Manipur, L. Vulnungmang IAS, Director Dr. K. Rajo and Missioner Director S. Manikanta attended the event. Kanglei Park Kanballub alleged principal of Catholic school Kanchipur, Father Sony Thomas, of having an illicit affair with a female employee of the school. KKL Secretary General Ngamkhai Ngakpa Mangang also alleged the principal of misappropriating 20 lakh rupees from the school's account and taking bribe of 25,000 to 70,000 rupees from students who wants to get admission in the school. Speaking to media in a press meet held at KKL office, Pauna Bazaar today, Ngamkhai Ngakpa alleged that the principal has violated canon law of Catholic Church. He added Father Sony Thomas has already submitted a resignation letter to Archbishop Father Dominic Lumon on June 5th after people came to know about his misdeeds. Though her resignation letter was approved on July 7, later he was again reappointed as principal on July 22nd. Ngamkhai Ngakpa warned of filing complaint to the higher authority of Catholic Church in Rome or the Bishop Conference of Asia if Archbishop failed to clarify regarding the matter. He also demanded teacher T.H. Joy and the other 7 teachers who are in favor of the father to apologize to KKL within 5 days.
Approve loinamang yaurabani Father Tony Thomas na Bishop Lumonda lakunpi an accounting ni haibasi moigi office team meeting da masi mana declare tawrabani ma masana madu ge recording hoi se loi leijane aduna tapodi transfer ahum lat tawraba principal ama madu sexually immoral oirabo principal ama bu amuk pore isigi manung da mai adugumba agenda khara di leirang ga kai hoi sing leiraba Sony Thomas si yam phongna staff meeting da kai da mating to bo aza khara leina maram myam ama leirabo father si ke dogi support to no hai basi mo clarification pibam to iya basi koi kangai pa kan mo na senga thamsake.
JC formed against the suspicious death case of girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in a press release have declared to carry out hunger strike in front of Thangmeiban Thao Club from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. of August 19 against state government's failure to fulfill their demands till date. It may be stated that the JC has been undertaking various protests and agitations demanding the government to hand over the student's death case to CBI by aiding Section 302. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Meitei Irol Iyek Loina Salon Apunbalub, Kanglei Park, observing its 16th Foundation Day today. We'll be back with the details of the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Mitei Irol Iek Loina Silon Apun Balub Milal Kanglai Park held its 16th Foundation Day observance at Gandhi Memorial Hall in Imphal today. Titular King Lake Maidingu Lesemba Sana Jauba, leader of Milal Yanglem Biren and leader of Mitei National Front Wangambi Laima graced the event. A book titled Ism, written by Naurem Kunjo Kokching, was released on the occasion. Spokesperson stressed on the history of Milal and all its undertakings to uplift and promote the indigenous language and script of the state at the event. Students belonging to scheduled tribe, scheduled caste and general category who scored high marks in Mitei Mayek subject in class 10 and 12 examination 2019 conducted by Bosim and Kosim were also felicitated on the occasion. The 132nd birth anniversary observance of Leiningal Nauria Fulo Fundrei will be held in 3 different districts of the state from August 21st to 23rd. Purel of Apokpa Marup, Naurem Tomba Mangang declared the announcement during a media interaction at Manipur Press Club organized by Ningsing Thaurang Lup Mitei Laibak Manipur along with Thosu Loishang Hobam Laikai Babupara today. Tomba Mangang informed that the first day of the observance will be held on Kangabo Kuno Part 3 in Thoubal district on August 21st, while the second day of the observance will be held at Mayai Lambi Thongkong, Kaithel Manak, Apokpa Sanglen in Imphal West district on August 22nd, and the third day of the observance will be held at Mitei Shanglen, Mitei Marup, Mitei Leibag, Wangkai Thambal Khong in Imphal district on August 23rd. He asserted that the souvenir based on the biography of Leininghal Nauria Fulo Fundrei titled Leininghal Mapok Ningsing Kudol will be released on the last day of the observance. He declared to urge the government and the authorities concerned to organize the event in state level from next year onwards.
Porpet Leininghal Fundrei Fulogi Samaga Kuntrai Toi Suba Mapok Kumon Gi Thorongi Damak Numil Humni Supna District Ahum the Togzagani Sugumba Mitei Gi Mangtharuraba Sidharuraba Laipok Asina Mitei Koigi Irol Inat Lining Laishon Mayang Sing Babu Tijan Biram Dana Nauhona Mitei the Saktak Biram Bagidamakta Asumba Laipok Asigi Asuman Humni Asi Bangkok Sabani and Maramoidana Lepa Sida Ladiba Nung Sijaraba Maromapang Punamak Mitei Inat Punung Shiba Mitei inat pu pamjaba punamakna laipak phupna lakpiduna irol inat kanba sugumba sida yaubiu haidana sugumba press ministry tawjabani.
Cultural Forum Manipur organized 107th birth anniversary of Manipur's eminent writer Rajkumar Sitaljit at the auditorium of JN Manipur Dance Academy in Imphal today. Speaking to media, Secretary of Cultural Forum Manipur K3 Rajan lauded Rajkumar Sitaljit as a pioneer of Manipuri short stories and revered the contributions of Shitaljit in Manipuri Sahitya. Retired Lieutenant General Dr. Konsam Himalaya released 3 books, namely Ketuki, Balmiki and Sakuntala, written by Rajkumar Sitaljit himself. Professor Nahakpam Arun stressed on a critical assessment of trend of Manipuri short story during the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯅ ꯑꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯑꯣꯟ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯄꯤꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯍꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯈꯣꯔꯤꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯍꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯏꯊꯤꯟ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Disabled Development Association of Manipur DDAM held a one-day free medical camp in relation to its 13th Foundation Day celebration today. The camp was held at Oinam Saungung Awang Laikai, sponsored by orthopedic Dr. Iqbal Ahmed. Doctors from various fields like medicine, skin, orthopedic, pediatrics and gynecology checked up around 500 individuals, and free medicines were also provided during the camp. Joint Director of Social Welfare Department, Banti Singh Konthozam, also presented certificates to those differently able persons who participated in the 5th National Wheelchair Basketball Championship 2019 during the program.
Differently able singde yum da appoina nang allaman singna lekai maya mang putoki kai na tawbusi tawbigano masi namjala tamje kogi sumang di hendokna mangon ye kamung namjala tamse masina e habitar pe mi singje asang kemter tanto kogi no to letra chuba masagi wakhan da yam wakhan puthobagi amale masi putoki masi to kechu kanali masi appoina pili ba penasi Aadhaar card maina apagi differently able kambushing is your unique disability ID masi pi ba haujarabani masi ko loi lobby ho masi he parati apena lam chata train tongbu ra ma prongta yam phangmani.
Yoga Training and Research Center Manipur held its 40th Foundation Day at Juvenile Club Hall in Sagolban, Tera Sapam, Lerak today. Representatives of various yoga organizations took part in the program. Royal Academy of Law, INAM, held its 26th Foundation Day at the Seminar Hall of the college today. Top 10 students of the college who secured top 10 positions in the recent held LLB exam conducted by Manipur University were felicitated with cash awards and certificates during the event. Speaking at the event, college principal I. Jogeshwar stated that issues prevailing in the state is due to ignorance of law and appealed the need to acquaint oneself with knowledge of laws. Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupilub and Kurai Konsam Laikai Apunba Nupilub jointly organized one-day awareness program on effects of drug abuse in society and role of people on stopping violence on women and children at Kurai Konsam Laikai Community Hall today. Speaking at the event, Secretary of Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupilub, Nongthombam Radharani stated that youths indulging in intoxicant drugs is one of the problems faced by our state. Maintaining that it is high time for people to work together to curb drug manage, she urged people for cooperation as drug manage cannot be checked alone by police, local club and Maira Paibi. Radharani also appealed people to cooperate in the anti-drug drives carried out by police. Imphali's SDPO L. Sankarjit, Porompad Police Station OC in charge, Bino Kumar, President of Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupilub, Y. Mema, and many eminent persons attended the program.
Karamana haina yu thingba karisu ngamgodaba nati nisa thingba karisu ngamgodaba nati haiba wahi se akoi tatana tai adubu aikoi laikai gi oina mayai kaba nisa se thingminnaba amadi aikoi kalap amadi maira pai bisina sobo thodang lorogadi ai thingba ngamgodra haina khanjai maramdi laikai dina support bibidragadi police department su sobo thodang ado lawba ngambaji kitang wagadra haina khanjai ai gi wakhansida aduna lamdam sida lairiba imai ben sing maira pai bi akoina sammanarba matamda da akoi nisa thingba ngamgani.
3 saplings were planted by Voluntary Network for Green Earth on the theme U Thasi, U Hohansi at Kangabok in Thoubal district today. The Voluntary Network has planted more than 900 tree saplings so far at the surroundings of Kangabok since World Environment Day celebration. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur Imphal West District Branch held its annual general body meeting at Kombirai Hall in Lumfield yesterday. Resolutions of last year was confirmed and the works to be initiated for 2019 to 20 were discussed during the meeting. Annual report and audit statement of 2018-19 was also passed during the session. Special Fund Drive campaign for Welfare Association for the Blind, Takhel, kicked off today. WAB in a press release stated that 12 people has donated 2 computer sets, 1 gas stove, 1 19 kg gas cylinder, 2 beds and financial aid of 12,500 rupees on the first day of the campaign. Kaishamthong MLA cum Health Minister Langpoklakpam Jayant Kumar distributed cooking gas sets for the first phase of the constituency under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana today. 49 beneficiaries were given gas sets under LPG Gas Agency and German Gas Agency in the event held at Pishum Ningom Lera Community Hall, organized by 12 Kaishamthong NPP Development Committee. Speaking at the event, Jayant Kumar stated that the scheme was introduced by Prime Minister with an aim to ease the plight faced by women from the family who does not own cooking gas set. Ex-cooperator of IMC worth number 12, P. Ito, proprietors of LPG Gas Agency and German Gas Agency attended the event.
Masi pot se munna mamutta na khangdabadagi phangmam thok makhal hak leira phawbada niyom chumna report tok taba ti niyom chumna che chang thar taba maram odna khoida kitang khoida misconception hagadra lan na khanab khai yaw chumnagi khoina apam bam bi khatam khangalaga hetam pira bazala na haibu gum bagi madigi walaite masin de lagi haiba ojala scheme gi madigi che chang guideline mayam am lei madu question bilang bi ro kangbu sima soim nam ki hangbiraga de oi logi bi agani ta haibu singda Mina pibam to na hari wa makil chi chang sing se maje su na pira matung dadi entitlement haigadra gas connection ujlai makha da matagi to shanum phangani ngale ngasi ekhona pije godir sina iroi loire kesanu kendra goina sina loire haibnatri.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren is sure to upgrade the Indian National Army Memorial Complex into an international level historical place. MPCC President Gaikangam lambasted the state government for reinstating the portfolios which were removed from Minister Biswajit on account of the department's financial misappropriation before the arrival of inquiry report. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren urges people, especially resource persons and experts, to decide single use of name between Maitai and Meitei. And Rashtriya Janhit Sangharsh Party Manipur unit states arrest of agitators protesting to serve justice to the death case of girl student is like adding fuel to fire.